Choosing the right domain name for your business is a crucial decision. Your domain name is essential for building a strong, recognizable, and search engine optimized online brand presence. Approach this process with a professional mindset. Let's get started. If you're new to my Great Way channel, we appreciate your visit. This video provides a practical checklist to guide you in choosing the perfect domain name. Establishing an online presence is crucial for contemporary businesses. Watch until the end to gain insights into domain names and select the most suitable one for your enterprise. A domain name serves as an identifier on the internet, representing one or several IP addresses. Examples include mygreatway.com, google.com, and x.com. An IP address is a numerical label that directs users to a specific internet page. The domain name is what users see, while the IP address functions in the background. Let's review the importance of choosing the right domain name together. Selecting the appropriate domain name is vital as it positively impacts your business. It enhances your brand identity and improves customer recall. Once chosen, your domain name integrates across business cards, advertisements, social media, and presentations, reinforcing your brand and credibility. To effectively name your business website, consider these 7 steps. Step 1. Select an appropriate domain extension. Step 2. Opt for a concise domain name. Step 3. Ensure ease of typing. Step 4. Prioritize pronounceability. Step 5. Avoid hyphens, numbers, and symbols. Step 6. Choose a scalable domain name. Step 7. Conduct a preliminary search. Let us dive into each step in detail. Step 1. Select an appropriate domain extension. Common extensions like .com are associated with credibility, while .org suits nonprofits. Step 2. Opt for a concise domain name. A concise domain name is short, easy to remember, and improves your online presence. Shorter domains like google.com, mygreatway.com, and x.com are easier to find, reduce typos, and are simpler to share. Step 3. Ensure ease of typing. Choose a domain name that is straightforward for customers to type, avoiding complex spellings. Step 4. Prioritize pronounceability. An easy-to-pronounce domain name aids retention and discussion among customers and staff. Step 5. Avoid hyphens, numbers, and symbols. These can diminish credibility. Stick to words and recognizable abbreviations. Step 6. Choose a scalable domain name. Select a name that allows for future expansion, not limiting your business to a niche. Step 7. Conduct a preliminary search. You can search and register your domain name through various hosting service providers. These include mygreatway.com, wix.com, godaddy.com, and bluehost.com. You can register your domain at mygreatway.com for $0 for 1 year with a qualifying hosting subscription plan. It is important to understand website domains before launching your own website. Reviewing these frequently asked questions will provide valuable insights for choosing and managing your domain. A common question is, what is a domain name? It's a unique URL associated with a physical IP address. Domain names consist of a name and a top-level domain, like .com and example.com, separated by dots. Another frequent question is, how do I choose the right domain name for my website? Choose a domain name that is easy to remember, relevant to your brand, and available for registration. Consider the domain extension and its impact on your website's visibility and credibility. One more common question is, can I change my domain name later? While possible, it's not recommended due to potential audience confusion and impact on search engine rankings. It's best to choose a domain name you're happy with from the start and stick with it long term. You can feel more confident in your understanding of website domains and their crucial role in your online presence. By following these guidelines, you can choose a domain name that fits your business identity. That is everything you need to know when choosing the right domain name for your business. If you have any questions, make sure to pop them down below. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial all the way through to the end. If you gained valuable insights, kindly express your appreciation by liking, commenting, and subscribing to our channel. We look forward to connecting with you again in our upcoming videos.